Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. The global economy is expected to underwhelm a little in 2025, with global growth of around 3% below the 4% and higher average over the past number of decades. With that said, the US economy remains solid, with economies in China, Japan, and India expected to perform better than the global average. Growth in the euro area is expected to be solid too. For global economy to move, countries need access to flow of products and services. The marine shipping industry is complex and dynamic as shippers navigate economic uncertainty, geopolitical risk, and trade policies such as President Trump's proposed tariffs. To help weather that uncertainty, it's a good idea to look at marine shipping companies that are more diversified than the others. This can help them weather individual sectors that are exposed to various headwinds. Today's income pick is SFL Corporation Ltd. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol SFL. And John, what can you tell us about this company?
Thanks, Mo. SFL Corporation, as you probably already know, is an international marine infrastructure company that owns and controls, I think it's $4.7 billion portfolio of 81 vessels and rigs. For some marine shipping companies, less is more. For SFL Corporation, more is more. Where many marine shipping companies specialize in specific industries, as you noted, like oil and gas or dry bulk, SFL Corporation's fleet diversity gives it legs through multiple market cycles. The company's current portfolio includes container ships, car carriers, tankers, energy vessels, and dry bulk vessels. Contract duration on its shipping portfolio ranges from 3.9 years for its dry bulk ships to 7.8 years for its containers. Now, this provides it with stability in both revenue and operating costs. It also helps juice its reliable high-yield dividend. And briefly, some of its biggest customers include Maersk, Volkswagen, Phillips 66, and ConocoPhillips.
Let's dig into numbers here. How did this company do in the third quarter of 2024?
It was pretty solid. For the third quarter ended September 30th, 2024, SFL Corporation announced that revenue climbed a little more than 33% quarter over quarter to $255.3 million. Operating income increased 52% sequentially to $94.1 million. Third quarter net income more than doubled to $44.5 million or 34 cents per share. And it ended the quarter with $164 million in cash and liquidity. Now, at the end of the quarter, its fixed rate charter backlog stood at a pretty whopping $4.7 billion, of which two-thirds to customers with investment grade rating. Again, this helps provide it with excellent cash flow visibility.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And it recently announced its 83rd consecutive quarterly dividend.
Yeah, because of its reliable cash flow, SFL Corporation provides shareholders with a reliable and, for the most part, growing quarterly dividend. In 2021, it paid 68 cents per share, with that number climbing 35% in 2022 to 92 cents per share. In 2023, the annual distribution increased a further 7.6% to 99 cents per share. Now, this past November, it declared a quarterly dividend of 27 cents per share or $1.08 per share on an annual basis for a current yield of 10.17%. Now, it has paid out 27 cents per share in the first 9 months of 2024. Should it maintain that payout level in the fourth quarter, the annual distribution will increase for a third consecutive year to $1.08 per share. Now, despite inherent industry volatility over time and tested through multiple market cycles, SFL has paid a dividend every quarter since going public in 2004.
SFL stock has double-digit upside potential.
Yeah, thanks to its solid third quarter results and investor optimism, SFL stock has been performing well, at least of late. While the year is only, a few weeks old, SFL stock is up to this recording 8.2% year to date compared to the S&P 500, which is actually down 1%. SFL stock is also up almost 10% over the last month and slightly like 1.6% over the last year. Now, the longer term outlook for SFL stock is pretty robust. As of this recording, SFL is trading hands at $11.05 per share, with analysts providing a 12-month share price target average of $14.50 and a high target of $16 per share. Now, should SFL stock hit an average price target, it would put it just below its May 2024 record high of $14.08 per share. Now, the high target range, of course, would put it well fresh record territory.
John, thank you so much for your insights. SFL Corporation Ltd continues to be a diversified marine shipping company with highly predictable cash flow. It has a massive fixed revenue backlog of $4.7 billion, of which two-thirds comes from customers that have investment grade rating. The company's outlook for the next 12 months remains robust, with analysts predicting SFL stock could rally double digits. And that's good news for shareholders and the 280 institutions that hold 50.22% of the company's float. Some of the biggest holders include BlackRock, State Street, Vanguard Group, and Bank of New York Mellon Corporation. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned, and in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.